Happy Monday. How are you today? I hope you're all doing well. I just want to give all of my K1 friends a shout out for taking care of the earth last week. We noticed that so many students in all of the classrooms were at home recycling, turning off the lights when they were not in a room, turning off the TV when they were not watching, and not letting the water run for a long time. Great job. Please keep on doing that so we can keep our earth nice and healthy. This week, I bet your teachers told you that we're learning all about spring. Say yay! Spring is one of my most favorite times of the year, and we're learning all about it. And today we're going to read a book together all about spring. And as we read this book, I want you to think, what are the changes that happen during the spring? So when the season is turning into springtime, what are the changes that are happening outside? Let's learn together. The title of this book is called Weather in Spring by Martha Rusta. She is the author. Weather in Spring. Take a second and look at the cover. What do you think the weather is like during the springtime? Let's see if you were correct. Okay, weather in spring. It's spring. Spring is here. The weather feels warmer. The sun shines longer each day. What did we learn in this page? What changes during the springtime? Yes, the weather begins to feel warmer and the sun shines for a long time. You may notice that it might be 7 p.m., but the sun is still outside. That shows us we're getting close to the summertime. The shining sun. As Earth moves around the sun, it spins on a tilted axis. In spring, the sun shines more directly on the northern part of the earth. The sun rises earlier each day. It sets later every night. Let's stop and think. That seems like a change when it's starting to be spring. What changes? That's right. The sun rises earlier each day. That means that it's 6 a.m. and you might already see the sun outside. And then it sets later at night. So it might be 7 p.m. and the sun is still out. So it wakes up really early and it goes to sleep really late. That's how you can think about the sun during the springtime. Longer days bring warmer weather. Sunshine melts the snow. Do we have snow outside during the spring? No. And if we did to have a little bit of snow in the spring, the sun will melt it right away. Water from melted snow runs into creeks and rivers. Sometimes waterways float. Spring storms. Spring weather changes often. I bet you've noticed that. Warm, sunny days follow cool, rainy days. So some days you might notice that you might be wearing a sweater or a jacket because it might feel a little bit cold. But then other days you might be wearing just a short sleeve shirt because it feels really, really warm. The weather changes a lot during the spring. So if we're thinking, what are things that change during the spring? What can you say? The weather, that's right. Storm clouds form, rain falls, lightning flashes, and thunders rolls. So you might see a lot of thunderstorms during the spring. That's a change. We don't see so many in the winter. Small storms can become big storms, tornado swirls. Your spring. Spring can be sunny, rainy, and stormy. What weather does the spring bring to your home? Look outside today. What weather do we have during this spring day outside today? Yeah, that's right. The end. That was an amazing book, and it helped me understand the things that changed during the spring. I want you to think, what are some things that changed during the spring? Thank you for sharing. Yes, the weather changes a lot during the spring. It can be stormy, rainy, sunny, cloudy. It can be many different kinds of weather. And we also learned that the sun changes during the spring. It wakes up really early and it goes to bed really late. So those are things that change during the spring. When you're talking to someone at home, Kayvon, I would love for you to talk about the things you learned in this book today. And I'll see you soon. Bye.